Hello everyone. Today, as you can see, I'm back home in the mountains, and today I'm really going to be talking about something that's a wake-up call for many young people, because I seem to be working with so many of them with this issue, with this aspect of life which is troubling them, and that is that special someone in their lives, a romantic relationship, is the partner has left them or moved on and no longer wants to have anything to do with them, and they are feeling shattered, they are feeling very despairing, and in some cases even suicidal. So what I would like to say, and what the starting point to avoid such situations is really that whole aspect of really working on yourself first and getting to a point where you feel whole and complete, or confident and secure in yourself. You're very comfortable about yourself, you feel very good about yourself, and then go into a relationship, and chances are very high that you're not going to face this sort of a situation like these young people are facing. Because what happens in their case is, and I know it happens with a lot of people, it needn't be romantic, it could be you're very close to somebody like a sibling or a parent, and if they're not there, or if they pass on, or they go very far away, and you're kind of shattered, you know. So we are always and it arises from the fact that we are always looking to complete ourselves or make up some lack in ourselves through being in a relationship with other people. And once you understand this, it becomes easier to really do the inner work so that you aren't facing this sort of a situation. For instance, you might think that, okay, I've had a very lonely time. Even as a child, I was lonely. So this other person now is exclusively mine. I don't have to share my parent like I used to as a child with all my other siblings, or another sibling. I don't have to share that person with everybody. This person who comes into me is exclusively for me. We are in this fantastic relationship, and you become very over dependent and needy and clinging to that one relationship. It's not got so much to do with the other person, it's what's the lack of all the things that are going on within you. So once you see that, and like I said, you start feeling whole and complete and do that inner work, this sort of a situation is not going to arise. The other thing is, not only do you have, because you're completing that lack, you have a lot of expectations of that other person. That other person should be like this, you know, because you're trying to complete that lack. And chances are very high that that other person is also going to have a list of expectations of you, because your energy is always attracting to you an energy match. So here are two people who then have expectations of each other, which neither of them can fulfill, and then that leads to one or the other moving out of the relationship and completely shattering the person who feels left behind. And I would really encourage all of you to please first become very comfortable with yourself, love yourself, be proud of yourself, think of yourself really as wonderful, and you're going to attract partners that are going to think you're wonderful too. So with that, I'll say bye.